everyone, my name is Roma and today with me I have my nephew Shlok. So we are all set to try out some delicious cupcakes and truffles. So guys, how many of you like Indian desserts? Jalebi, rabdi, gulab jamun. Shlok, do you like it?
Yes.
You like gulab jamun?
Yes.
So today I've been sent some Indian fusion cupcakes by Chocology Delight. So Shlok, are you ready?
Yes.
Let's try them out. Here I have the cupcakes. So these cupcakes have the fusion of rasmalai, rabdi, gajar ka halwa, jalebi and gulab jamun. So yes, Shlok, which one do you want to try first?
This.
Jalebi? Okay, let's try the jalebi one. So guys, this cupcake is the jalebi with roasted coconut flavor.
It is a vanilla cake.
It is. Shlok, you try it out first. So guys, there is a jalebi inside it as well. So it's center filled. Look, you can have the jalebi and there are some coconut shavings on top. So guys, this cake is a basic vanilla cupcake with jalebi inside it, and then there is a vanilla frosting on top with some coconut and jalebi for dessert, like the decoration. And the cream is really very nice, very well whipped, and you get the taste of coconut in the whipped cream. So this cake gets a thumbs up from Shlok. So guys, the next cupcake is chocolate ganache with cardamom. So I am usually not a big fan of cardamom, but let's give this cupcake a go. So guys, in this cupcake you can taste the elaichi as well as the chocolate, and this is a very unique combination and I've tried it for the first time. Next cupcake that I have is from one of my most favorite Indian desserts, and that is gajar ka halwa. This is a gajar ka halwa cupcake. So I'm looking forward to it, and it has some carrot shavings inside. I can see it. This is a carrot cake and there is gajar ka halwa stuffed in it. It's really good. Shlok, did you like it?
Yes.
We loved it. This cupcake gets 2 thumbs ups from our side because we love carrot cake, and it has carrot inside of it as well, and we loved it. So guys, we are very excited for the next cupcake, as it is the gulab jamun cupcake and it has got a pretty pink frosting on top. So we just want to dig in. Yes, there's a gulab jamun inside it.
Wow.
Now we have 2 cupcakes left. One is the rasmalai cupcake and one is the thandai cupcake. So Shlok, which cupcake do you want to try first? The rasmalai or the thandai one?
Rasmalai.
Okay, so Shlok will try the rasmalai and I will try the thandai. Hey guys, this is the editing Roma. So Shlok is eating the thandai cupcake and I am eating the rabdi cupcake. Sorry, we got confused with the names. Do you like it? I really like the way they have frosted their cupcakes. It's very clean. Each of the cupcake has something or the other stuffed inside it, which is really good. Look, does that cupcake have any stuffing? Take a big bite.
Oh.
So now Shlok, you take the rabdi.
It has rabdi inside it.
Yeah. I really like the cake of this one. So guys, this is the rabdi cupcake. It has rabdi inside it, and we really enjoyed it. I have never tried a rabdi cupcake. For that matter, I have never tried any of these cupcakes ever before. They are like very good, different with Indian fusion. And the other cupcake is the thandai cupcake. I don't know why we kept saying rasmalai, but it's the thandai cupcake and I really enjoyed this. I think out of all of the 6, this one was my most favorite, followed by the gulab jamun. And which was the other one which we loved, Shlok? Gajar ka halwa. It was really very good. Alright guys, so Shlok left. He's over there. He got bored. Anyways, I wanted to show you all the box in which they sent the cupcakes. It's really a good box. And they have put a note for me. It says, "Hello Miss Bharne, we are glad to send you our Diwali special hampers and we hope that you will enjoy our Indian fusion flavors." So guys, you can get your own customized boxes, and for that you will have to DM them or message them for the prices. Also, all these cakes are eggless, so that's really good. And one thing which I loved about this box, it is that it has a stand so that your cupcakes, you know, don't move or they don't stick to each other. The frosting stays intact. So that's a thumbs up. Okay, now I have some delicious looking truffles in front of me, so let's give them a try. Okay guys, so they've sent me their chocolates and truffles. So the truffles are dark chocolate truffle, white chocolate truffle with dark chocolate ganache filling, and white chocolate truffle with coconut coating. How good does that sound? Okay, the first truffle that I'm going to try is the dark chocolate truffle. So this truffle has a dark chocolate ganache inside of it, some almonds on top, and it has a full outside layer of dark chocolate. So this is really very good. Next up I have white chocolate truffle with dark chocolate ganache filling. The white chocolate is really very delicious and tasty, huh? Let's move on. So guys, if you want to know the prices, I will put them here or in the description below, and all their contact details where you can order for yourself, for your family, for your loved ones. So yes, let's move on to the last truffle that I have, and that is white chocolate truffle with coconut coating. Wow. So if you love coconut, if you are a coconut lover, you won't leave this. You will absolutely enjoy it. It's really nice. I enjoyed it. It has got white chocolate inside it. I'm not a big fan of white chocolate, but it's really good. It's very tasty. So guys, to finish off, I have some chocolates, and they have some really unique, interesting fillings inside them. I'll just read it out to y'all. So it has dark chocolate with Shrikhand filling, dark chocolate with roasted peanuts, some Bounty bites, and dark chocolate with spiced cornflakes chicky filling. Like wow. Okay. Now they all look same. I hope I find one of each. So guys, I'm just going to open this up and see what's there inside. I'm just going to taste it and try it out. Dark chocolate. So this one is a dark chocolate with roasted peanuts. Different. I like this combo. It's really good. It's a very unique combo. I've never. Oh, the cornflakes are spicy. In this chocolate, you can literally taste the spice. It has got spiced ginger in it. I get the ginger flavor as I bite into it. It's very unique and different from other chocolates that I've eaten till today. So this one is the dark chocolate with Shrikhand filling. Nice. Okay guys, I found the Bounty bites. I really love this one. Oh, it's like dark chocolate and coconut stuffing inside. So guys, these were the chocolates, cupcakes and the truffles that they had sent me. The owners of Chocology Delight are Miss Karishma and Miss Shitaja Naik, and thank you so much girls for sending me your products. And guys, if you want to order this for Diwali, please do. I will put all their links in the description below. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you all did, please do give it a big like. Subscribe to my channel to show me some support. And yes, I will see you guys next time. Bye.